Hello Kickstarter. This is not me. This is Ruben. And today, he'll introduce you to our wallet. No, not this wallet. This wallet. When we were starting, we had 3 goals in mind. Our product had to be good looking, fully functional, and extremely durable. After months of hard work, development, and improving, we finally created the perfect product. Introducing Wallet. Made from carbon fiber, which is one of the strongest and lightest materials on planet Earth, our wallet is both stylish and extremely durable. Proudly made in the United States. There are many minimalist wallets out there, but we wanted a thin and cool looking wallet that did not compromise functionality. Here you see a demonstration of our wallet versus a conventional wallet with the same number of bills. You can even try this at home. We designed an adjustable rubber clasp. For those that carry a lot of cards or cash, the clasp can be easily adjusted. Even one bill will not fall out. There are 2 different wallet sizes for you to choose from. This is the smaller one. It's literally the size of a credit card. The next size up is designed to fit cash folded in half, and it fits a lot of it, while still being slim and compact. Hey guys, without your help, our product will remain a prototype. Please help us in any way you can by sharing with friends or family. Let's kickstart this thing.